Good afternoon, guys. My name is Pierre, instructor at Driving Academy. It's one of my favorite students, Yanette, very good student. We're about to watch her do offset. So, Yanette, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
So you think you can do this reverse offset and forward offset?
Of course.
All right. Well, I believe in you. I believe in you. So let's see what we do. All right. All right, back again. She did fabulous. She did fabulous. You know, she did the forward offset, power offset, as you can see. So, Yanette, how do you feel about the offset and the reverse offset? You did it really good. What do you think?
I feel confident. I'm ready for my road test.
Are you ready for your road test? So your test coming through. You're gonna be a one and done, right?
Yes.
All right, I believe in her. She's a good student. She comes here on the regular. She studies. She works hard, and I'm gonna see her on the road.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.